This is your daily glimpse of science.
Welcome to the race of the COVID-19 vaccine.
Besides Pfizer, I heard that Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine is also nearly 95% effective in preventing coronavirus.
The new results suggested that the vaccine from Moderna might prevent people from developing severe disease if they encounter the virus. But the researchers have not had a full picture of the vaccine performance on different age or racial groups.
Results from previous studies show that the vaccine is safe with some mild to moderate side effects after the second injection, such as fatigue, joint pain, and headache. Moderna's plan is to continue observing the participants for 2 years to monitor the vaccine safety. So what's in the vaccine?
Similar to Pfizer's vaccine, Moderna's vaccine utilized mRNA. The instructions for making the coronavirus spike protein are carried by the mRNA. Since human cells can make the spike protein due to these instructions, the immune system then can make antibodies to latch onto spike proteins and help prevent the real coronavirus from infecting healthy cells in the future.
Did you know that these mRNA vaccines have never been used in people? If these vaccines are successfully produced, the vaccine-making process will be sped up quite a lot.
Normally, other types of vaccines require laboratory-grown cells to manufacture millions of doses. These mRNA vaccines only need a genetic code for a particular viral protein, like the spike protein. The only tricky part is to choose the right protein out of many possibilities to generate the best immune response.
How are these vaccines stored?
Well, Pfizer and BioNTech's vaccine requires to be stored in specialized freezers at an ultra-cold -70 degrees Celsius, which is also -94 degrees Fahrenheit. On the other hand, Moderna's vaccine can be kept at refrigerated temperatures between 2 degrees and 8 degrees Celsius, which is also 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 days.
Do you think the vaccines will be available anytime soon?
Well, we can hope, but both Moderna and Pfizer are planning to submit their applications to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in the coming weeks to ask for emergency use of their vaccines. That's right. And with that, stay tuned for more future news on COVID-19 vaccines.
The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.